Good morning. It's Scott and Jordan here today with Clear Vue. So we just wanted to go over a little bit of some upgrades to our current system and share with you. Long before I bought Clear Vue, I was an actual customer at Clear Vue. So many years ago, I bought one of the older systems, and while it's working great, I thought it was a good opportunity to maybe go over and show you a little bit about the Clear systems, and really this is for ease of assembly for the end user. We notice a lot of people struggle to get these systems in, and historically what's happened is you would get a fully assembled system that was glued between the cone and the upper body, same neutral vane, really for all intents and purposes same performance. But when you get everything assembled and you gotta get it up there, it's a little bit of a struggle just because of the awkwardness and the size of the cone and assembly. So what we developed was a two-part system utilizing our snap-on rings, the same ones you would see for the duct system. And now we can kind of assemble it in one piece, and then through that process, we can put the cone in on the other side. It just makes it easier for the end user to install it. We recognize some of the struggles with it, so always looking for ways to improve the user experience, and we're going to demonstrate that today, but just wanted to do a quick intro. From here, Jordan and I will go through, we'll kind of record the process of assembling it, so I'm going to utilize my existing blower housing. So here Jordan is taking the blower housing, and she's going to install it onto the upper body. Nothing too complicated, just a couple of screws that go in there. From there, the ladies will lift up the motor with the impeller and take the mounting plate, install it in the correct position from its previous orientation, or if you want to change it around. And then, of course, the air intake goes in, the dog supervises, and through the process, the dog is going to get a kiss on the head. So, always added benefit working with Jordan. We used a little hoist system to mount it in place, but we always recommend that two people do this. There's some significant weight with the motor. And then finally, on to the clamping. This is a new innovative part of the assembly process, and as you can see, it goes on pretty quickly and easily, and from there the rest is history. You get your system hooked back up, and yeah, enjoy watching it run. I appreciate you sticking with us.